Hello world, great to see you here. Welcome to my Learn It Here YouTube channel. In this channel you will be able to learn video editing in After Effects, Premiere Pro, Blender, Kine Master and some tech stuff. I will provided you everything you want to edit in all my tutorials, and if any doubts you can mention them in comment section. I will try to answer all the questions. Whatever you need will be available in the description. Now we shall download the link in the description below. I repeat, click the first link in the description. It will take you to my website. Locate the download button, click it. You will be taken to the After Effects download page. Just click on the click here to download button. Great. Download process will start soon. Now sit back and relax until your file gets downloaded. I assure you that we provide 100% safe and virus-free software. We provide you the one which we used to create the video you're seeing right now. Once downloaded, unzip it. Open the Open Setup file. You will requested to install the file. Click Yes. Choose your installation location. Click Continue. Wait until the software gets installed. Once installed, open the software. Yeah, now everything is ready to start your editing. Hope your need is fulfilled. Consider subscribing my channel and drop a like to this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to reply to everyone. We have planned to upload 3 videos per week and 1 tech video on every Sunday. If you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe it and turn on the notification and smash the like button if really liked the video. Stay tuned, stay creative. See you in the next video.